Hi there, students. An errand. Accountable noun. An errand is a short journey in order to perform some minor task, to perform some chore, to drop off a packet, to get something from a shop, to convey a message, to collect something. Okay, so this is often as well done for another person. When you're in town, could you do an errand for me? Please put this letter in the post box. So an errand is defined as a mission, but a mission to do something mundane and ordinary. Go somewhere, do something, and come back. Yeah? Could you do me an errand? Could you fetch me the newspaper from next door? Could you go to the garage and fetch me some oil for the car? These are errands. What defines an errand is you have to go somewhere to do it. It's not something that you do generally while you're in your house. You've got to move. Maybe go to the bottom of the garden. That would be about the minimum distance for an errand. I have to go to the village and do some errands. Often to run an errand or to run errands. So I'm a bit late in making my video today because I had to run some errands first. So messages, pickups, deliveries, bring things from another place, collect somebody, sort of like a messenger. Many businesses and companies have an errand boy or somebody junior who they're like a messenger, but their scope is more general. Yeah? So an errand is a type of chore. I think chore is more general, but the errand itself involves going somewhere to do the chore. We all have errands that we need to do from time to time. What errands do you have to do regularly? And then we've got a couple of nice phrases with errand. Firstly, you can have an errand of mercy, to go somewhere and help somebody who's in difficulty or danger. So my aunt is sick at home at the moment and I have to go on an errand of mercy and visit her. And I need to take her some food and just to keep her company for a bit. This is an errand of mercy. You can also have a fool's errand. And this fool's errand works in two different ways. Either a fool's errand is a task or something somebody is determined to do, but it's pointless, it's impossible, it's never going to succeed. Trying to keep the sea back when the tide is coming in, that's a bit of a fool's errand. Yeah? Okay, so a fool's errand, something that can't be done. In the other way, a fool's errand, it's like a prank. Maybe you have somebody new in your place of work and you send them on a wild goose chase. You send them on a fool's errand. It's like a trick or a prank. You send them to do something that can't be done. It doesn't exist or it's impossible. So in a pizza kitchen, maybe you've got a new chef and you tell him, please would you go to the fridge and get me the dough repair kit. Or in a restaurant, maybe you send the new chef to go and get a souffle pump, something to blow up the souffle. Effectively, this is telling the new person to go and get something that's impossible, or go and do something that it just doesn't exist. This very often is part of hazing. Hazing is where they treat somebody badly, or they play tricks on them, and then slowly they gain acceptance to the group. It's like the initiation ceremony. Yeah, I think being sent on several fool's errands is very often the initiation ceremony in any group of workers. Okay, so an errand. Go somewhere and do a little job and come back. Something you need to do a little chore. Now, next question, formality. I would give this a 5 in formality. I think this is completely flexible and you can use it anywhere. And then the origin, well, there's an old English word, errande, meaning a mission. And that itself comes from a Proto-West Germanic word, arundi, meaning a message or an errand. So, an errand. Go somewhere and do a little chore that you need to do. Something mundane and regular. But remember, it involves normally going somewhere, and very often we do errands for other people. While you're in town, would you do an errand for me? Would you get me some milk? And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. An errand.